Good morning. We learned this chapter. Now chapter 2, polynomials. Here in previous lecture we did exercise 2.4 question number 4 and 5 first and second. Now exercise 2.4 question number 5, factorize. Number 3, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. In this method, first we calculate sum of coefficient is equals to 1 plus 13, 40 plus 32, 46 plus 20, 86 is not equals to 0. Here sum of this is our rough work. In last page do you do this work? Not in this page. Rough work. Sum of coefficient 1 plus 13 plus 32 plus 20 is equals to 80. Here 2, 3, 5, 6, 3, 4, 4, 2, 6, 46 is not equals to 0. So x minus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial. Because here I put value of x is equals to 1. So x minus 1 is not a factor of Px. I put here value of x is equals to 1, then 1 cube plus 13 plus into 1 square plus 32 into 1 plus 20 is equals to 46 is not equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor of Px. Now, our trial method, putting x is equals to minus 1. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1. Trial method. For trial, x is equals to minus 1. Here x is equals to minus 1, then minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20 equals to minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20 is equals to 20 plus 30 is equals to 33. Minus 32 minus 1 minus 33 is equals to 0. Here our answer is 0. Therefore, which is our factor? X is equals to minus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of Px. We decide here x plus 1 is a factor. First we put x is equals to 1. Then we put x. Suppose is not equals to 0, therefore it is not a factor. Then we put x is equals to minus 1. Then equals to 0, therefore x plus 1 is a factor of Px. First we decide what is factor. X plus 1, x minus 1. Then suppose both two are not factor. Therefore, then we apply x is equals to 2, minus 2 and so on. Now, x plus 1 is a factor of this. Now, this number x plus 1 is a factor of this number, this polynomial. Therefore, polynomial is divided by this 32x plus 20. Okay? We start. Which is our number? X square. X square into x, x cube plus 1x square. Long division method, change the sign. Cut 13 minus 1, 12x square. Here, which is number? Plus 32x. Then we write here plus 12x. 12x into x, 12x square plus 12 ones are 12x. Change the sign. 32 minus 12, 20x. Now our number is 20 plus 20. It's divided 20. Quotient is 20. 20 ones are 20x plus 20 ones are 20. Change the sign. Remainder is 0. Clear? We do this method. We learn. We know that long division method. Now here we write factors of this polynomial. Px is equals to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. First we write, now fourth step is, first we write quotient x square plus 12x plus 20 and into divisor x plus 1. Here we write first x quotient into divisor. Now multiplication these terms by x plus 1. Therefore x square into x plus 1 plus 12x into x plus 1 plus 20 into x plus 1. Now we multiply this number, this polynomial, x cube plus 1x square plus 12x square plus 12 ones are 12x plus 20x plus 20 ones are 20. Our question is here x cube 12x square plus 1x square, therefore 13x square. 32x split as 12x plus 20x, 20 plus 12, that 32x. Here splitting 32, 12 plus 20. 13 is 12 plus 1. And first term and last term is as it is. Therefore our question is this. Now using this by factorize by splitting method. Factor of 20 whose sum is 12 and product is 20 at square. Now it is sign 20. Therefore factor of 20, 20 ones are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. It is not valid. Here we want 12. 10 twos are 20. Yes, 10 plus 2. Therefore we write x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20 into x plus 1. Now common factor x plus 10 plus here common factor 2 x plus 10 into bracket x plus 1 is equals to x common bracket x plus 10, then remaining terms are written in other bracket x plus 2 x plus 1 which are our factors. Now factorization of this number is for 3 marks. It is asking by 3 marks. First we decide what is our factors, x minus 1 or x plus 1. Here putting x is equals to 1 in this number, therefore the we get is not equals to 0. Otherwise you do only sum of coefficient is equals to 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of px. Here is not equals to 0, therefore x minus 1 is not a factor of px. For trial method, x is equals to minus 1. Taking x is equals to minus 1 in this value, here equals to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of px. First we decide what is factor, x minus 1 and x plus 1, then x plus 1 is a factor. Now this number is divided by x plus 1 and quotient. We get quotient number 4th term. Here we write px, second, third and fourth. Reversely we write multiplication by these terms or by this bracket x square into x plus 1, 12x into x plus 1, 20 into x plus 1. Then multiplication. Open the bracket and here splitting method, use splitting method. 10 2s are 12, 10 plus 2, 12, x plus 10, x plus 2, x plus 11. Now second number question, fourth number, 2y cube plus y cube y square minus 2y minus 1. Here we do rough work. Only rough work for factorization. This is our method. For trial x is equals to -1, do this in rough work. Here taking 2, x is equals to 1, 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1 equals to 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. So, which is factor? X minus 1 is a factor of Px. We decide, here first we decide x minus 1 is a factor of Px. Divide polynomial by x minus 1. What is polynomial? 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Here y minus, here our variable is y. Therefore y minus 1 is the factor of py. Then we write y minus 1. 2y cube and y. We getting 2y square into y, 2y cube minus 2 ones are 2y square minus plus y square plus 2y square, therefore 3y square minus 2y plus 3y square plus minus minus 3 ones are 3y minus plus minus 2y plus 3y, then y. Here number is minus 1 plus 1 y minus 1 minus plus remainder 0. Now complete our process. Here we write py is equals to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Here we write second term, third term and fourth term. Fourth term first we write quotient 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 into y minus 1. Then 2y cube into y minus 1 plus y square into y minus 1 minus 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Sorry, here we write quotient 2y square plus 3y plus 1. I write here dividend, not 2y square into y minus 1 plus 3y into y minus 1 plus 1 into y minus 1. Clear? Now multiplication. 2y square into y, 2y cube minus 2 ones are 2y square plus 3y into y, 3y square. Here y square splitting as minus 2y square plus 3y square. Therefore y square plus y square plus 3y square plus minus minus 3 ones are 3y plus 1y plus minus minus 1. Our question is as it is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y square plus 3y square, therefore plus y square minus 3y plus 1y, therefore minus 3 plus 1 minus 2y and minus 1. 2y square plus 2 ones are 2. Here splitting method. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Therefore 2y square plus 2y plus y plus 1 into y minus 1. Now common factor of this number 2y, y plus 1 plus 1 common, y plus 1 into bracket y minus 1. Now common bracket y plus 1 to y plus 1 remaining terms and y minus 1. Here this is a factor of px. This sum is calculated so easily. Now py is equals to, or other method, 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Here common factor, we write it in two brackets minus 2y plus 1. For 3 marks we do this method. Only for 1 marks or 2 marks do this method. Is equals to, common factor is equals to y square 2y plus 1 minus, here common factor 1 2y plus 1 equals to, which is our common bracket 2y plus 1 and other bracket y square minus 1. Factor of y square minus 1 is equals to y plus 1 y minus 1. Which are our factors? Here both are same, 2y plus 1, y plus 1 and y minus 1. Okay? So now we learn some identities. We learned these identities in previous standard, algebraic identities. Here algebraic identities, how many identities? You know, x plus y whole square. Here we write x square plus 2xy plus y square. That means square of first term plus 2 into multiplication first into second term plus square of second. Square of first term x square plus 2xy, sign is which is middle sign. Here middle sign plus, therefore we put here plus 2xy plus y square. Now x minus y square is equals to x square. Middle sign is minus 2xy and last term always plus y square. Here square of minus y is equals to y square. X square minus y square. Factor of these terms is equals to x plus y, x minus y. We know these four identities in previous standard, x plus a into x plus b. Therefore we write here x square. First term is same and other term is different. Then we use these identities x square plus into bracket a plus b with sign here plus, therefore we write a plus b, multiply first term plus product of these two terms a into b. Number 4, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to, now here three terms, x plus y plus z. We write first square of these three terms, first term square plus second term square plus third square. Correct? First we write square of three terms. Then we write multiplication of two terms into 2. 2 into first term, second term, 2xy plus 2 into second into third, 2yz plus 2 into first into third, 2xz. Our identity is this: x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2x. X plus y whole cube. Whole cube into bracket cube different. Now understood this different. Understand this different. X plus y whole cube and here x cube plus y cube. Both are different. Here first we write x plus y cube is equals to x cube plus y cube. First we write both terms cube. Then putting plus. Multiplication of these three terms. 3xy. 3x into y. Then write bracket x plus y. Multiplication of these three terms into bracket. Now suppose otherwise you x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. It is expanded. Now we remember these terms. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Same here. Now here minus sign. Then we put minus sign all terms. X cube minus y cube minus multiplication of these three terms. 3xy into bracket. Bracket is x minus y. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Here we write, suppose we write, then you remember this and apply this formula, it is correct. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x. 3x square y minus minus plus 3xy square. Here plus, then we put plus sign, minus, then we put minus. X cube plus y cube. X cube is which term's cube? X cube. And y cube is y cube. Then we write, here we write our expand x factorize x plus y into bracket. First term x plus y. Second bracket from first term bracket. Square of first term x square, opposite sign minus multiplication of both term xy plus square of last term y square. Here don't write 2xy. Here only write opposite sign and multiplication of both terms x into y. Now like this, x cube minus y cube equals to, first we write x putting sign minus y. First bracket from this x minus y. Now second bracket, here x square, opposite sign minus opposite plus. Product of these two terms xy. And last term is always plus. Plus last term square y square plus y square. These 9 identities we learned in previous standard. Now this number 10th identity is most important for you, and this is learn in this standard. In this chapter you learn this. Cube of 3 terms x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into multiplication of these 3 terms x, y, z. Here this type of factorization we write here, this type of this polynomial we factorize these types x plus y plus z. Now first in first bracket we write x plus y plus z. And in this second bracket, square of these three terms x square plus y square plus z. Clear? X square plus y square plus z square. Minus multiplication of both terms xy minus multiplication of second, third minus yz minus multiplication of first and third terms minus xz. Here again first term x plus 5 plus z, first bracket, second bracket from this square of these three terms, and multiplication of first, second xy, yz, xz minus minus minus. Suppose this sum is like as p cube plus q cube plus r cube minus 3pqr. Then we write what type of these factors? P plus q plus r. Here first we write three variables, p plus q plus r. Then other bracket, p square plus q square plus r square. Multiplication of these two terms, minus pq minus qr minus pr. Write like this. Clear?